Hello everyone. Are your measurements actually improving performance, or are they just numbers and reports? Stick with me, I will explain. Welcome to our Lean channel. Today, we will explore element 913, analysis and evaluation. If you're new to the channel and find this video useful, subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest Lean ISO management systems discussions. The standard requires analyzing and evaluating data and information from monitoring and measurement. The results of the analysis shall be used to assess 7 specific areas: conformity of products and services, the degree of customer satisfaction, the performance and effectiveness of the QMS, the effectiveness of planning and actions to address risks and opportunities, the performance of external providers, and the need for improvements to the QMS. The standard redundantly repeats product conformity, customer satisfaction, and QMS effectiveness across multiple clauses. Instead of revisiting them all, let's explore practical methods for meaningful analysis. The first step in data analysis, whether on your production floorboards or in your war room posters, helps teams stay updated but often falls short of in-depth examination. Usually, these daily updated summaries show the status of quality, inventory, supplier performance, equipment efficiency, manufacturing KPIs, etc. While many companies keep their whiteboards, I am increasingly starting to see large-screen TVs showing dynamic operational status. This information is essential to keep production folks updated on daily performance, but insufficient for detailed data analysis for decision-making. The next step is data crunching. This is when we process our measurements for analysis and evaluation. Depending on the measurement, we transform our numbers into weekly, monthly, or annual graphical trends of KPIs for management, operational, and other reviews to hopefully make improvement decisions. But are your KPIs meaningful, or are they just compliance check marks? When examining performance evaluations during my audits, I often bump into measurements that do not trigger any actions or make practical sense. Once I worked with a client with 2 product lines, small compressors and metal storage cabinets. One of their trend charts showed a comparative final inspection of first pass yield for both lines. When I asked what the company does with this data, the response was just for information. Comparing apples and oranges was pointless. If data does not drive action, why track it? The moral is, do not waste time collecting and presenting data that is not actionable. The last statement in the clause is the note saying that methods to analyze data can include statistical techniques. Yet another vague non-committal mumble from our standard. Statistical techniques are not optional when process performance is at stake. One cannot demonstrate an acceptable risk of acceptance of parts without using ANSI Z1.4 sampling plans. One cannot determine the stability of a process without using process capability analysis like CP, CPK, etc. What about design optimization or process qualification? Can one avoid the design of experiments? No, and no again. So, when planning your analysis and evaluation system, determine the processes where you cannot demonstrate reliable results without statistics and use corresponding statistical tools. Let's summarize what we covered today. Analyze data for decision-making. Evaluate product conformity, customer satisfaction, and QMS effectiveness. Review risk actions and supplier performance. Use the results to identify improvement opportunities. Use statistical techniques to establish conformance with requirements. Drop a comment below on how you use statistical techniques. What works best in your organization? This is all for today, folks. As always, check out the free resources on our website. Contact me if you have questions about this topic or need assistance implementing Lean ISO management systems. Before you go, subscribe, like, and share this video to support our Lean QMS project. Thanks for watching, until next time.